Hey guys, welcome back to the family. If you are new to this family, you are so very much welcome, and I can't thank you guys enough for the belief you have put in me and for the trust you have put in me. I have had a couple of problems, but things come and things go. So for today, I want to do a full face makeup. If you are a fan of lifestyle, makeup, hair, and other things, you are so much welcome into this family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I will really appreciate that, and I will be reading your comments as usual and replying them as usual. So without further ado, let's get into the video. From this point on, I'm going to do a voiceover because the background noise is a lot. Before I do a voiceover, the reason why I haven't been doing makeup tutorials is because, as you can see, I am having a breakout. It's very rare for me to have a breakout, but since I changed my environment, I have been having breakouts like really often. I have tried so very hard to use like a new strategy, but that's also ain't working, so I'm just gonna let things play. Just gonna let nature take its course. So first things first, your face has to be clean, and I'm going to use Pampers wet wipe to wipe my face clean and to make sure that there is no residue of oil or dirt on my skin. After that is done, you need to moisturize your face. I thought I had recorded it, but unfortunately I did not. I just realized when I was about to apply primer. So apply your primer, then do your eyebrows, and for the eyebrows you need to use a spoolie to brush or make it much more easier to navigate. And I'm going to use a pencil in this is Prestige pencil in dark gray, and I'm just going to go slow and patient in. To clean my eyebrows, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 40. It is way lighter than my skin tone. I use that to highlight my face and also use it mostly as eyeshadow base. And for the eyeshadow, I am going to use this, I forgot with its name, and I'm going to use, first of all, I'm going to use a brown shade for transition. Then it's kind of reddishy, but believe me, it's a brown. Oh, I'm going to take a darker tone to just blend it in, starting from the outer corner going to the crease. Then I'm going to use a black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna darken the outer corner going to the crease. Then I'm going to cut my cut crease, and I'm using that same concealer. And for this part you need to be really careful because cut crease can mess up your look. I think I need to do a video about that. Then you take the remnants on the brush and just brush the outer corner to blend in with the concealer or the cut crease that you just did, and blend it going inwards to the crease. That give it a balanced look and no harsh lines. And I'm going to use this shade, should we call it peach? Yeah, I'm gonna call it peach, because today I'm going all matte. I've never gone all matte. I have never tried going all matte, and I loved this look. And just tap it in, then take the remnants and blend it in. Then you can apply your eyeliner. If you like, you can leave it like that, but I love the crazy eye look. And for my mascara, I'm going to use this from Maybelline. It's Sky High from Maybelline. For my foundation, I'm going to use Zaron. I am so much a fan of Zaron. I haven't known how I can get my hands on Juvia's Place, but I'm also thinking of getting my hands on the Juvia's Place. So the technique is to just blend that out. For highlight, you can use a lighter tone like this one, or you can use just 1 or 2 shades from your foundation. For a beginner, I will not advise this. And also you can add in a darker shade, and I'm going with this is toffee from LA. Then spray it. Use your fixing spray and blend that out. Blend. On the background, your girl was watching SpongeBob SquarePants, and like half of the time I was there watching SpongeBob. Now, to powder up, I'm going to use baby Cassons to highlight or to powder the places that I had highlighted. I still don't have a contour palette, so I use my eyeshadow as a contour. To warm up the face, I'm going to use this LA Pro compact powder and just powder up the places I highlighted. I don't like doing my lower eyelids, but anywho's, so I'm going to use that one. I used Prestige and the matte black eyeshadow. Then use my mascara on your lower lash. It gives you that dramatic kind of look, if you can say. Then I'm going to use my blush. It's orange, and to put it on my tear duct. Then just fix it up with a spray. I don't know, I'm enjoying seeing these things. So for blush today, we're going with the purple color, and as for now, this purple is the deal for me. No more, no less. Purple and orange. Whew. Then I'm going to go with the same Prestige. This is a multi-purpose eye pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips. You know me with a nude, so I have to line the lips. If you have noticed, I tried the red and it didn't work out for me, so I'm going back with nude, and I'm just going to apply it. Then apply lip balm later. So for lip balm, I'm going to go with Milani, and this lip gloss is the bomb. I'm telling you, for real though, it is the bomb. Like, look at that. And guys, that is all I have for you today. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.